Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing okay. It's Saturday afternoon. This is my third shot at making a video for you guys. Hopefully, third time's a charm. I'm recording this just to tell you guys what's coming up this week and for the remainder of the semester. What I'm trying to work out for you all. I'll try to walk you through the changes to the syllabus and how we're going to run things week to week. Before we do any of that, I want to tell you all how much I miss you. I'm thinking about you all. I'm worried about you. I read everything that you posted on the Google survey. We're going to be all right. You're going to be all right. No one's going to fail. We'll take care of each other and we'll get through this, and maybe it'll even be an okay end of the semester. We're going to be all right. So let me tell you where we're at. The new syllabus is completed. It's posted on Blackboard. By the time this video goes up, the syllabus will be there and clear. You need to go and take a look at it. I'm going to run through it with you in this video. I'm going to highlight now the changes to the course, just what's changed between now and the end of the semester in terms of requirements and everything else. So I've dropped the remaining response assignments. You've completed a total of 4 this semester. That's it. That's all that you will have. So I changed the weighting of the how those 4 assignments will be weighted on the syllabus. I'll talk with you about that in a minute. I dropped 1 week's worth of readings because obviously we lost a week last week. I changed the attendance policy. I'll talk more about that in a minute. I added weekly, and it's 4 total per week. I added weekly discussion board posts. I'll detail that in a second for you. The research essay is the same. I know I said I was talking about things that changed, but now I'm talking about things that have stayed the same. The research essay weighting and the way it's organized, all that stuff is staying the same. I haven't quite figured out yet the best way to do the workshops, but I will figure it out, and when I do, I'll let you know about it. But I will teach you how to do research. We'll do all that stuff. None of that is going to change. And we also have dropped the final exam. A lot of you were very anxious about the final exam, so I really wanted to get rid of that for you. It's gone. No more final exam. All these changes have required rejiggering the weighting of assignments in the syllabus. So let's take a look at that right now so you can get a look. So if you're looking at the syllabus, the changes are really, the greatest changes are in the requirements section. So I'm looking at that right now, and I encourage you to take a look at that as well. The preparation, participation, and attendance is now weighted 15%. It had been 10%. I changed that to 15. What that entails is viewing the videos and making the required discussion posts by 11 a.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Doing so counts as attendance on any given day. It's all spelled out in the syllabus. The posts themselves are 15% of your final grade. 20 total posts between now and the end of the semester. You complete all 20 posts and you will earn full credit. You will get an A. You complete 19 posts, you get a B. 18 posts, you get a C for that particular grade. Fewer than 17, excuse me, did I say 18 is a C? I'm having a hard time tracking myself here. 18 is a C, and fewer than 17, and you'll earn a grade of D or lower for your 15% of your total final grade. Those are your big changes to how things are weighted in the syllabus. Nothing else has changed in terms of what things will count for. So how will we do this every week? Every week, I will do the following. This is a little bit tricky to explain, so please be patient and note any questions that you have. On every Thursday, I will post a video, discussion questions, and discussion groups. I'm going to change the discussion groups every week, possibly every Tuesday and every Thursday. I haven't decided yet. Every Thursday, I will post the video, discussion questions, and discussion group for your Tuesday assignment, for Tuesday readings. So you'll have from Thursday to Tuesday at 11 to get done Tuesday's discussion questions and your posts on those questions. And on Tuesday, I will post video, discussion questions, and discussion groups for work that is due on Thursday. Okay? To access the videos, I'll embed a link to my YouTube channel on Blackboard. You just click that link. It'll take you to the video. You don't have to download anything. Those videos will usually be between 8 minutes and 15 minutes long. They can't be longer than 15 minutes in the technology that I'm using. I'll talk you through the reading, discuss anything else that's come up with you at that time. Watching the video, again, I've already said this, but watching the video is the same as attending class. That's how I'm tracking your attendance for the rest of the semester. I'll create the discussion groups, as I said, each week, with a different set of questions for each group. You're not going to be engaging with the entire class just with your discussion group, which, as I said, is going to change each week. You're required to post a response to the question and a response to one other person's post in your group. You can do more than that if you want, but you're not required to do more than that. That's what you're required to do between now and the end of the semester, in addition to the research assignment and the readings. So readings, posts on the discussion board, and your research essay. That's what you have due between now and the end of the semester. If you have any questions, you need to email me with those questions and I'll answer them. Two other things I'm doing next week on Tuesday and Thursday from 9:30 to 10:45. I will create a Blackboard Collaborate online discussion space. That's our regular class time. I will be hanging out there from 9:30 to 10:45, our regular class time. You are welcome to drop in then, have a conversation with me and any other member of the class who's joined in. That is not required. It's optional. You're welcome to drop in and participate in that. You are not required to do it. You don't need to do it for the full hour and 15 minutes. You can pop in, pop out. That's really up to you. I'm just going to try that out next week. If you guys like it, we'll continue to do it. If it's not too difficult logistically, we'll continue to do it. I'm also going to hold office hours, also using Blackboard Collaborate. So again, I post a link to the Collaborate space. Those hours will be during my regular office hours, Monday and Wednesday. You can come in and see me at that time. Also optional, you don't have to do it. I'll just be sitting here doing work and you can pop in, pop out if you need to see me during my office hours. And that is how we will work things until the end of the semester. I'm only going to use Blackboard. I'm only going to use YouTube. I feel like you know how to use both those technologies. We're not going to try to get our arms around a new space, a new technology. I think you guys have enough on your plates. That's all we're going to do. Email me with questions about any of those syllabus changes and about any of those logistics, and I will do my best to answer them as clearly as I can and as promptly as I can. Finally, a lot of you expressed concern in the Google survey that I did about getting work done in an online space. I too am worried about that. This is hard for you, I know. It's also hard for me. It's hard for your other instructors. In addition to just missing you all, which I do, as I said, I need you to get my work done and you need me to get your work done. So we're going to have to support one another using the tools that are available to us. So I will rely on you to let me know when you're struggling, and I will do my damnedest to keep an eye on you guys and prompt you when you're not getting your work done in a timely fashion. That's going to be hard for me to track you all this way, but I'll do the best that I can. And we'll get each other through this. So, as I said, I'm still working through the best technology to use and the best way to set up some kind of workshop for the research essays. I'll figure it out. As soon as I figure it out, I'll let you all know. So this is Saturday. I'm posting this video today. I will post a second video with your assignment for Tuesday, which will be Judith Sargent Murray. Second video on that later in the day. This is just your welcome explanation of the syllabus and the changes. So if you have any questions, let me know. It's a pretty day. Today, Saturday, I'm looking out my window from my office in empty, creepy Tillinghast. Blue sky, lovely day. I hope to get out and get a walk in. I hope you guys do the same thing. Wash your hands, take care of yourselves, take care of your people. Stay sane, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.